Namaste student, myself J.V. Anshika Kushwaha, Faculty of Agriculture and Veterinary Science, Department of Food and Biotechnology. Our subject is Basic Enzymology and today's session is Derivation of Michaelis-Menten Equation for Uni-Substrate Reactions. So what is enzyme kinetics? Enzyme kinetics is arguably a most time and cost effective way to study enzyme. It is the primary way to study enzyme catalysis because no other approach allow one to test whether a chemically or spectrophotometrically detected intermediate is formed and turnover on the catalytic time scale. Kinetic studies provided the investigator with the information on the mechanism, mode of regulation, and mode of parameters that are essential for an understanding of enzyme specificity and physiological function. So first of all, what is Michaelis-Menten kinetics? In biochemistry, Michaelis-Menten kinetics is one of the best known models for of my enzyme kinetics. It is named after German biochemist Leon Michaelis and Canadian physicist Maud Menten. The model takes the form of an equation describing the rate of enzymatic reactions by relating reaction rate V to the concentration of a substrate. Its formula given by V is equal to dP upon dt is equal to V max S upon Km plus X. This equation is called the Michaelis-Menten equation. Here V max represents the maximum rate achieved by the system happening at saturating substrate concentration. The value of the kinetic Michaelis constant Km is numerically equal to the substrate concentration at which the reaction rate is half of V max. Biochemical reaction involving the single substrate are often assumed to follow Michaelis-Menten kinetics. So, according to the mechanism, an enzyme substrate complex is formed in the first step, and either the substrate is released unchanged or after modification to form products. Next thing is, what is the application of Michaelis-Menten hypothesis? Uh, Other applications are clearance of blood alcohol and photosynthesis irradiation relationship and bacterial phage infection. So this is all the information about derivation of Michaelis-Menten equation for unisubstrate reactions. So thank you, hope you like this video, and this video is powered by JVW Digital 2.0 version, and if you have any query you can write down in comment section.